Flashfill is a new feature in Excel 2013. Flashfill allows you to fill out data based on an example or pattern. Flashfill typically starts working when it recognizes a pattern in your data and works best when your data has some consistency. In this example, I filled out the students' names with their first name, space, last name. Now I can use Flashfill to fill in the information containing just their last name and just their first name. It's important to note that you can only use Flashfill with a column that is adjacent to the ones you are referencing. To start using Flashfill, I'll simply type in the students' last names. I may have to enter in a couple so that Excel recognizes the pattern. However, once it recognizes the pattern, you'll see the rest of the last names listed below. By pressing Enter on the keyboard, now the rest of the last names are filled in automatically. I can use the same method for the students' first names. Again, I may have to enter in a couple before Excel recognizes the pattern. However, once I hit Enter on the keyboard, now the first names are automatically populated.